Hey everyone, how are you all? So in this video we will see that which is the best screen recording software that I'm going to show you in this video, which mostly used by the professionals to make their video or to record screen of their system. So as you can see that on the screen, ChatGPT is opened here, and here also I have searched that which is the best screen recording software that I can use, and here also you can see that it is suggesting me the best screen recording software is OBS Studio. So you can see that this is also suggesting OBS Studio, which professionals are using to record their system screen to make video. So how can you download this? For that you will have to go to Google, search OBS Studio, click on it. You can see that wherever you want you can click here on Windows, Mac OS, Linux. So once you click on it, your file will get downloaded like this, as you can see on the screen. You will click on the folder, it will take you to the file location, click right, and then you will see an option of run as administrator. Click on it, your file will get installed, and how it will look like in your system I will show you here. So you can see that this is how OBS Studio will look like, and once you click on it, so you can see the layout of this software, and it's too easy to use. I have used this OBS Studio software for recording the screen, and it's completely free. You do not have to pay any amount for this. And also one of the advantage of recording the video, whichever format you want you will gonna get here. So you can select the format of your video file. So I hope you like this video, and I've told you about this software. If you want you can search it on ChatGPT as well. I've shown you how you can install this software and how you can use it. So till then, take care, subscribe to this channel, have a great time.